Hi guys, exciting news. For the first time in history of PC Crazy YouTube channel, we have a BeQuiet case, and it's not just any ordinary BeQuiet case, it's their premium top of the line case, the Dark Base Pro 900 Rev 2.0. Wait, 2.0? So basically we have the newer version. The older version was out to 2016 and this one came out late 2018. So yeah, it's a bit late to the whole new thing when it comes to doing reviews and stuff, but definitely something worth mentioning because we have a huge case, we have loads of stuff to say. So let's start with differences between these two versions. We had the version 1 and now we have the revision 2. Now top and the bottom section of the tempered glass panel is painted completely black. New USB 3.1 generation 2 type C and a quick charging USB. We have the upgraded fan controller that supports up to 8 PWM fans instead of 4 from the revision from the first model, and it includes 12 volts RGB connector. We have the new power supply shroud, we have the new plastic HDD slot covers instead of the rubber grommets, and finally we have the Silent Wings 3 140mm 3 times, and these are 1600 RPMs instead of 1000 RPMs. So basically these are some key features that changed in revision 2. Now the case has loads of options, in which one of those is wireless charger right on the top of the case. The chassis has a great airflow and is silent with the noise dampening material throughout the case. So basically you have it on the back side of the case, the rear panel, you have it on the front panel, you have it on the top panel, you have it basically everywhere. Front door can be switched to be open on either sides, and it still has the removable 5.25 inch bracket. So this case actually has two 5.25 inch brackets for your DVDs or whatever you want to use them for. The controller is actually very practical for this case, and the size of it making it easier to connect all the fans since we have now 8 connections. It also has a switch for dual channel configuration as well as 2 switches on the controller to adjust the performance or silent mode, which all can be also controlled through the PWM connector on your motherboard. Now with the case you get 2 LED strips, as you can see right here. They are 30 centimeters, and you can connect them to your controller at the back because it has 2 connectors, just as for the LED strips right here. And also you have here extension, you could probably extend something here right at the top. The controller also has 4-pin 12 volts RGB connector, so you can connect some additional LED strips. But when it comes to these, I've seen that they have really nice colors. You get certain limitations with the LED strip, unfortunately, because it's not flexible, but then again it's quite solid, so it won't break that easily. On the other side of the LED strip you have 3 stickers, or not stickers, you have 3 3M double-sided stickers, whatever, to attach the LED strip to the best position you wish in the case. When it comes to water cooling, you can install 420mm radiator on front and on the top of the case, but then you have to remove the 5.25 inch base on the front of the case. The most intriguing part of the case is the modularity of the interior, because the panels that are on this side, they can easily be moved for distance you actually wish, because they have a special cutouts, and well, you can see right here that they are easily removed for better cable management or similar things, like easy pass-through for the cables. You can also adjust the height of the motherboard tray to nicely accommodate thicker radiators, giving you more cooling power on the top, of course. Also, you can nicely invert the motherboard tray to get some diversity from regular builds if you desire to do so. Plastic covers can be easily removed from the power supply shroud, giving you some extra possibilities, like placing a 2.5 inch SSD in the middle, or adding like 2 times 120mm fans for more and better airflow. and if you don't use all the parts, you can just cover it up the rest with the standard parts that are already placed. Basically, for the final conclusion, the case is very modular and gives loads of possibilities for different motherboard orientation, for different motherboard sizes. Altogether, it really is an incredible case with noise dampening possibilities and with tempered glass, so you can see inside. You get two LEDs to shine up interior of the whole thing, and you could basically do a really nice build. I mean, basically, what am I talking about? Of course, you can do a really nice build. You have the main thing about this case is the modularity, silence, and cooling power. So, guys, if you like the video, don't forget to click the like and leave a comment below if you wish to see a build in the BeQuiet Darkbase Pro 900 Revision 2. Don't forget to check the links, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. See you next time, guys. Bye bye.